We were waiting for Intel 10H series high-tech processors, and presently the benchmarks of i9 to 10900K have been leaked. According to the new leak, Intel Core i9 10900K is not that much effective against AMD Ryzen 9 3900X. Click on the bell icon to get the latest tech updates. And join us on Tech Shouters to know more about all the new happenings in the tech world. Prior to this month, the leaks of Intel's 10th gen high-tech processors have been doing rounds on social media. From previous leaks, we've been assumed that Intel Core i9 is faster than AMD Ryzen 9 3900X. But recently, the Intel Core i9 10900K benchmarks are leaked, and it clearly reveals that it is still slower than AMD Ryzen 9 3900X. However, it is faster than i9 9900K by 20%. As the Intel's 10th high-tech processors had been leaked, the bits of gossip has started doing rounds on the social media related to its speed, execution and furthermore, which are expected to release in the next coming weeks or next months. According to the new leak, it is clear that it is slower than AMD Ryzen 9 3900X processor. The new leak is by Twitter user named Apisak, who has uploaded the results of i9 10900K. As per result, Intel Core i9 10900K defeat i9 9900, with having 10 cores and 20 threads. That means i9 10900K is faster than i9 9900 by 20%. And when it is compared with AMD Ryzen 9 3900X on Geekbench, Ryzen 9 3900X defeats i9 10900K, with having 12 cores and 24 threads. That means i9 10900K is still slower than AMD Ryzen 9 3900X by 7%. The Ryzen 9 3900X was released in July 2019. During the lockdown period, when people are using their social media accounts the most, Facebook has released another feature named Quiet Mode to manage the notification and avoid the hindrance. This mode helps to pause the push notifications for a specific period that you set. Facebook today is introducing a new feature for its users named Quiet Mode. Pop-up notifications that hinder your activity on Facebook is very irritating. Therefore, to block all these pop-up notifications, Facebook is releasing the Quiet Mode feature. Quiet Mode is just a path to set limits or manage new routines for doing work from home tasks during the COVID-19 epidemic. When you set the quiet mode or switch on the quiet mode, at that time, if you try to access your Facebook account, then it will a prompt message on screen as a reminder. Facebook allows users either disable or enable the quiet mode as per users' requirements, and also allows users to set the specific duration of time for an automatic track. The quiet mode also controls your data usage so you can deal with your daily internet data packs, and it also gives your data usage report that you spent on Facebook. Apart from this, Facebook has also renovated its Your Time on Facebook section, which means now you can also check your activity logs. This section displays an overview of how much time you spent on Facebook. However, Facebook earlier released its time spent records in 2018, but this recent massive update is more brilliant as it deals with your weekly activity and day-to-day ventures. This will also display your weekly activity log reports. Isn't it sounds cool? You can manage all your activities in a single place, incorporating the things you've liked, comment, upload, and more. So these were some big updates from some of the well-known tech giants. For more such updates, stay tuned with Tech Shouters.